Yo, what's up everyone? How you guys doing? My name is Zuni. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing a launch box from Full Sail. I have been going to Full Sail for about 5-6 months. We're going to be doing a review over my experience. If you guys don't know about Full Sail and their degree programs, you get your bachelor's degree around like 2 years and like 4 months and such. You can transfer in with credits too, so it's a little bit nice just to knock out some of the classes out of the way if you do them like at a community college. But nonetheless, each degree program at Full Sail actually has their own lunchbox, and Full Sail will send you a bunch of goodies. And it'll be like technology, it'll be hardware, software, and it's just to help you further your education and your career. So they really just give you a bunch of little nice things to get you started. If you guys haven't checked out my last video, I actually did an unboxing already. However, I was a bit confused because for my first 2 months over at Full Sail, they sent me a launch box, and I figured it'd be like all of it at once, but actually they kind of spread it out as you go or as you spend your time at Full Sail. In that last video, I actually got an iPad, which I had some harsh thoughts about it at first, I'm not gonna lie. However, it can be pretty handy if I don't want to be at my setup or at my bed. Sometimes I like to go to the couch with my iPad, or just like go into the kitchen, eat some food, and look at the lecture or whatever it may be. But the iPad has been useful, and it's been more useful than I thought it would be, so that's been nice. So again, shout out to Full Sail for sending me that iPad. So yeah, in this video we're going to be opening up the second part of that launch box, seeing what's inside. I'm pretty excited, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. All right, so this is the box that Full Sail sent me for the launch box. I'm pretty excited at this point because it's bigger than the last box, so it has to be cooler, right? And while I'm opening this box, I wanted to go ahead and give you guys my review for the past like 5-6 months I've been going to Full Sail. I actually start my 6th month here in 2 weeks after the holidays end, and I can say that my experience at Full Sail has been pretty nice. The classes aren't as hard as I thought they would be. However, I've spoken to other students and they tell me it gets harder as you go on. But yeah, we're opening up the box. I'm actually kind of pants at the moment because I can tell from here it is a computer. It's actually the MacBook. It's actually a MacBook. You can kind of see the specs here on the back, but it actually is a really nice MacBook. I had another MacBook with the touch bar. However, this has like better specs overall, even though it doesn't have the touch bar. And I'm excited mainly because I do a lot of editing like on Adobe, and my last computer kind of is slow, so I'm hoping this MacBook holds up. And I've already done some projects here and there on this MacBook, and I can say for sure it has done justice. So this was insane. I looked up at the price point on this MacBook, and it was like over 2,000 or around that. So Full Sail, thank you so much for passing me down this lovely sword. And I'll be using it throughout my education here at Full Sail, so thank you for that. So yeah, it looks like it's the MacBook, and they handed me a USB-C to USB adapter. But this is super dope because as being a MacBook user already, MacBook laptop, the outputs to the computer very strange. They have USB-C instead of the regular USB as like a normal PC. So this adapter is a must if you get a MacBook. In fact, I think they should have handed you a different adapter, because this Apple product, I'm not sure what the price is. I'll put it up like right here. It's like this much money. However, there are other adapters that have not only for USB, but they have like HDMI, they have micro SD, they have, just different formats that you can plug into the MacBook. which you can't already do because for some reason the MacBook only accepts USB-C. Anyways, this is super dope that they send you not just the MacBook but an adapter to go with it. Super neat. And yeah, I'll definitely be using this. I already have adapters, so I'll probably just keep this in storage or hand it to someone I know. However, the MacBook is super dope. I'm still in shock that I have this thing. I've been using it for studies like crazy. I was already using my MacBook beforehand, but however, this is so much bigger and cooler that I've been using my MacBook experience. I've been using that like more. So again, shout out to Full Sail for this. And this was all that really came into the Launchbox. They did give me the Adobe products as well as I thought I was going to be getting, which is everything. Thank God I don't have to pay like $30-$50 anymore for Adobe. You guys are insane for that price. But yeah, thank you Full Sail for that. I'll definitely be using Adobe here at Full Sail for like all of my projects, so you can count on that. Yeah, anyways, Full Sail has been a great journey. Honestly, I'm having more fun as I spend more time with the school. They have a lot of activities on their Discords and on their social medias. This past Christmas, they did like the 12 days of gear, and they've just been giving out like technology left and right. And so that's really awesome from Full Sail. I keep using the Full Sail Discords, especially the Armada, since I am a gamer. I've tried out for their athlete team, their athlete Valorant team, and I can say I did pretty well. They have some crazy people on that team at the moment, but yeah, their team is honestly crazy. I had such a great time trying out for this team. They had such an awesome coach, and the team already was super cool. But it looks like they picked up Purin, Senti, and Bjornord. So congratulations to these guys. I'm pretty sure this team has a lot of talent and have really high hopes on making it as a college team. I've never seen anyone as good as Purin, aka Bullets. Bullets, if you're watching this, dude, you're insane. So yeah, I'm excited to see this team play and see how they do in the future. Aside from the Armada scene and trying out for their Valorant team, I've been starting to build a portfolio and a LinkedIn account to hopefully have a career once I start graduating. So you kind of get that help from the school straight away. Once you've taken your first couple classes, you start setting yourself up for graduation, which is insane. They do it so quick, and I love to see it, honestly, because it gets you excited to make it at the very end. But yeah, if you guys are thinking about signing up for Game Business and Esports, let me just say the first couple of professors that are in this degree program are awesome. Brandon Morris and Mr. Cardwell are the starting professors for this degree program, and they've been super awesome. So I'm excited to see what brings in the next couple months. If you guys want to see a review video on Game Business and Esports, let me know. I'll be thinking about it. Right now I've really just been posting homework and assignments here and there, but I do have an awesome Valorant video coming out here pretty soon, so be aware of that. Subscribe if you guys haven't. You guys can check out my social medias down below, and yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you guys come by and chat it up. So yeah, you guys take care. Peace out. Appreciate you guys for coming on by. If I didn't answer any questions you guys had, just put down your questions down below in the comments. Of course, I'll be getting back to everyone as soon as I can. And yeah, I hope I'll see you guys soon.